Hey everyone, okay, so today I'm going to be doing makeup on my mother-in-law, and she is 90 years old, and V is the kind of woman who has always got makeup on. She's always wearing her makeup, bright lipstick, green eyeshadow, full face of makeup on, jewelry on, best clothes on, even if she's just sitting in the house. I've only ever seen her without her makeup when it's bedtime or if she's not feeling well. What I'm going to do here is a light makeup. And I'm going to apply moisturizer first, and I'm going to apply a lot of it because I want the skin to be really, really hydrated before we move on to foundation and just evening out the skin tone. Now when it comes to foundation, I'm not going to put a huge amount on. I just want enough so that the skin is even and looks glowing and healthy. I'm using my foundation here in shade number 8. And just patting it and applying it all over the face. I'm going to apply it over the eyelids, and it's going to act as a base for any eyeshadow work that comes along. And there'll be some outtakes at the end as well, so you can listen to those. Next, I'm going to apply a very small amount of concealer, really just on the inner corners of the eyes. And again, I'm just going to pat and press this in with my finger. Nothing major here, and as you know, I'm a big fan of applying concealer to this part of the face because it just lifts and brightens underneath the eyes, and it doesn't crease in this area regardless of your age. So that's a wonderful thing. So I'm going to do lip next. I know that might seem out of order, but I like to do the lip because once the lip is done, you can kind of guess or gauge how far you want to go with the rest of the face. So I'm going to put a very pretty kind of pinky lipstick on V, and we're just going to apply this to the lip, and then I'm going to use a touch of it as a base for the powder blusher that comes later on. So this way there's a bit of harmony going on, and I'm applying this along the cheekbone area and just going to pat it and press it into place. This is going to be a really pretty kind of, and it's a different look for V because V is used to a brighter lipstick and green eyeshadow. And so for this, I wanted to do it slightly more with more natural, neutral tones on the skin. Again, patting and pressing everything into the skin. Now I'm just dusting off with some powder just to take down any excess shine. V is very fond of powder, so I didn't want to leave the skin overly shiny. So I'm taking down the shine in all the areas where I don't want it to be. So underneath the eyes, the T-zone area, all of those kind of places. Fabulous, looking divine. So next, what I'm going to do is start with the eyeshadow application. A very neutral eyeshadow from my eyeshadow palette, all the information in the description bar. And I'm just taking this over the eyelid and then highlighting the inner corners of the eyes as well. Taking a deeper shade, I'm just going to very lightly contour the outside corners of the eyes. Now V has a deep set eye, so you can really see the colors on a deep set eye. So I'm just going onto the eyeball itself. I'm not going to really enter the crease with any of these colors as it would become too overwhelming. And then just taking a brush and blending it out lightly. And this really is quite a leap from the usual kind of green eyeshadow, which really does look very, very nice indeed. But I just wanted to go with something a little bit more neutral and just see how it goes. So next, again, I'm just patting very gently to take down any excess shine from the skin. Then it's mascara. Now I was going to use my own mascara, but of course I actually don't have any because I've used it all and I'm waiting for replenishments. Here I'm just adding a very, very, very light touch of bronzer just to the crease of the eye, just to push it back slightly. A powder blusher, mine, links in description bar, just on the cheekbone area, just over. And you will see now a before and after. And then you'll see some outtakes. And that's the thing with makeup. It's about making somebody feel good. And because ultimately that's what we all want, to feel good. Thank you so much for your time. See you all soon. Bye-bye. So what I'll do is when we take you home, I'll edit all this.
Yes.
And then it'll be ready and up on Friday, 6 o'clock.
Right.
And the whole world can see it.
God, I hope it's good.
They'll love it.
Wish I had my green dress on again.
I know, you should have worn it.
That's it. That hit all the bad parts.
There's nothing wrong with you. They're going to go mad when they see this.
I hope so.
Yeah, it's going to be fabulous. They'll love it.
I said it's funny, that weekend I had more compliments when I was coming up to 90 than I had when I was 19.
How does it feel?
Wonderful.
Exactly.
Everywhere I walked, strangers were coming up to me. This one man, he came up and said, "You look fabulous." I went, "Oh, thank you so much."
It's nice though, isn't it?
It's lovely.
It gives you a boost.
Of course, especially at my age. I mean, people say when they get older, they feel ignored.
They do, and I think it's wrong.
I think it's wrong.
I think everybody should feel,
Yeah.
you know, everybody has the right to feel beautiful or attractive,
Exactly, yes.
no matter their age.
It looks really nice. I don't want to go home, go straight to bed.
Just sleep in it.
Sleeping.
Exactly. Not going to hurt, is it?
Well, look, since I've been using those dark red, when I looked at those photographs, there's no doubt about it, it really suits me, doesn't it?
Yeah,
More
it's
than the pale one.
yeah, and you like a bright lit and green eyeshadow.
Yeah.
So what we're going to do is more a pink,
All right, yeah.
just for a change.
Yes.
Very nice. You're going to be a global star.
If I put the right dress on.
This looks lovely though. This top's lovely.
It is nice, isn't it? Yeah. Well, good job I didn't have this in wherever we went. Especially with the dress.
I know.
We got it. Wow.
Can you imagine?
That was weird. Complete strangers were coming up and saying, "You look fabulous."
It's so nice though, isn't it?
It's lovely. I mean, I didn't have things happen to me like that when I was 16, let alone nearly 19.
It's lovely, isn't it?
Yeah. I'll sit up all night. When your mother and Jill come, I'll say, "Wow.
Look at this." just popped it on 2 seconds. Right, let's have a little look in there.
I can't see.
Yeah, I'm going to get your glasses in a second.
Okay.
Right, darling, so let's get your
Right.
bits and bobs.
What's my bits and bobs?
This is your bits and bobs.
Oh, right.
So you've got your earrings.
Yeah.
Okay. Right, let me move that so you don't look in there. Right, and I'm going to put these back on. Is that right? Do you want to slip them on?
Yeah.
Got them?
Yeah.
Right, now just look straight into there.
The lower one.
Yeah,
Right.
as you are.
Okay.
Give us a smile and give us a wink. Beautiful. That's it.
It's over.
That's it, it's over.
Thank you so much.
Half an hour